Hey guys, how's it going? This is Francisco with A&S Roofing. I'm here today at Ms. Ruby's property, trying to do an ATR on the roof. The roof was approved for repairs. We're gonna go ahead and attempt to replace this shingle right here. As you guys can see, there's no damage on the upper shingle. Today is August the 1st, 2024, and this is an ATR. Renee, can you grab this for me, brother? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and use the snake tool to try to prevent damaging this shingle any more than what it already is. There's no way to repair this shingle without causing damage to it. No matter how gentle I try to be, this thing is literally non-repairable. It's damaging itself. This shingle is not repairable, man. It's not going to repair. There's no repairing this shingle. This is definitely a fail attempt to repair. As you guys can see, I'm trying to be as gentle as I possibly can. I'm going to get a better close-up to this using the snake tool, which was created to release the shingles off its seal and nail it in properly without having to damaging it. But as you guys can see, it's not. The shingle's already broken. Get that. Look at all that mat transfer. We got another broken one right here. And look at that. So this roof is definitely a fail attempt to repair. There's no repairing it whatsoever without causing more damage to the roof. Now we have 8 damaged shingles here on this side and about 13 damaged shingles on this side. So if I attempt to repair either one of these, I can show you as well on this one. All I'm doing is causing more damage to the roof itself. You see? Get another one. Look at all that mat transfer. Look at this shingle already broke. So there's no repairing this roof. It's another fail.